played a good cricket. Yes, Parush bhai, you agree to that? They were really good, man. They were really good. क्या गेम खेला यार. और एक बार जोरदार बिग शाउट आउट फॉर टीम क्लीन मैक्स हाइब्रिड गाइस. मैं वो जो स्टार्टिंग के फॉल ऑफ जो टॉप ऑर्डर के फॉल ऑफ विकेट्स हुए थे हमारे, वो थोड़ा जल्दी हो गए थे. आई हैव सीन दैट आतिश अनफॉर्चुनेटली कैच आउट हो गए थे एंड काफी. और एल्स उसके अलावा द काइंड ऑफ गेम, द टाइटनेस दैट यू गाइज मैनेज टू पुट इट व्हेन इट कम्स टू अ बॉलिंग, बिकॉज जब हम पहला इनिंग हो रहा था उन लोगों का क्रिकेट बैटिंग का, आई सॉ द काइंड ऑफ बॉलिंग दैट यू गाइज डिड. I thought you guys are there almost. But mistake happens and things always comes with a learning, which we're not going to be repeating in the next match. No worries. Atish, ऐसे क्यों देख रहा है मेरे भाई? Relax ले. This happens, all right. Parush bhai, we're going to be coming more stronger in the next match, all right? So now it's time for the player of the match. We've got Ashwin sir. Come on, can we have a big hand for him? From Team Crest Digital. And the player of the match goes to the gentleman who had been a big time pain for these guys. A big time pain in this match, who scored 19 runs, who took 4 wickets. Rohit. यार मैंने देखा था स्टार्टिंग में बेचारे से कैच छूट गया था एंड ही वाज सो मच अंडर प्रेशर. मुझे नहीं पता था वो इतना परफॉर्म करने वाला एक कैच छूटने के चक्कर में, बट ही प्लेड रियली वेल. वेल डन माय ब्रदर. यार वन ऑफ द बेस्ट स्टैट्स फॉर द बेस्ट प्लेयर ऑफ द मैच सो फार इन दिस सीजन. 4 विकेट्स, 19 रन, दोनों खेमे में आपने बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्म करा ब्रो. व्हाट वाज गोइंग ऑन इन योर माइंड? आई नो आई वाज स्टैंडिंग हियर, आई टोल्ड यू भाई कैच छूट गया कोई बात नहीं. Great efforts. I know you were in pressure at that point of time also. So what was going on in your mind, my brother?
See, the plan was pretty simple. We just wanted to express ourselves. Team was playing really well. Bowling unit is fantastic, and I felt that I had the confidence that I have and the bowling I have. We can pull out any game. Thank you so much.
सामने अनडिफीटेड चैंपियंस थे, क्लीन मैक्स हाइब्रिड. हमारा तो एक मैच भी ड्रॉ हुआ है, बट इन्होंने डोमिनेंस पूरे गेम में अपनी दिखाई है, पूरा सीजन में. तो उस चीज को लेके जब आप उतरते हो मैदान में तो बहुत सारे थॉट्स यू नो इट रिवॉल्व्स अक्रॉस योर माइंड. सो उस वक्त आपके दिमाग में क्या चल रहा था जब व्हेन यू गॉट टू नो कि पहला ही क्वालिफाइंग टीम हमारा क्लीन मैक्स हाइब्रिड के साथ होगा, पहला ही मैच?
Last time I played with Clean Max and they defeated us in final. They are really playing great in 3 of the seasons, and this is the 3rd season they are playing against us. And जिस तरीके से पूरा टीम खेल रहा है, इनकी बॉलिंग यूनिट, बैटिंग यूनिट, ऑल राउंडर, ब्रिलियंट. I must say a great team to play against.
मुझे लगा बोलने वाला है लास्ट जो हम लोग जीते थे बस मैंने तो बस उसका बदला लिया हुआ. नहीं यार, बट दिस इज व्हाट ब्रूकफील्ड प्रीमियर लीग सीजन 5 इज ऑल अबाउट. द फ्रेंडशिप, द टीम स्पिरिट, द कमराइडरी. और ये मेरे को दिखता है आपस में, भले opponent teams hai, but that friendship, I see that, you know, the love for cricket. Thank you so much. All the best, my brother. And couple of more matches going to be more interesting. Thank you so much, guys. Lot of love. Thank you, Atish. All the best. Moving on to the com box. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Manish. The target, they chased, but this time PL Panthers defended really well and they got a victory. So one more match in progress. Leap Titans taking up with Brookfield Gladiators. News from the center. Brookfield Gladiators wanted to elect to field first. They invited Leap Titans to bat. And once again we are watching this Elango and Muthu Vijay कि ये जोड़ी जो कमाल ही नहीं धमाल करती है, सुपर हिट कर देती है. फिलहाल शुरुआत रही है बेहतरीन स्टार्ट फ्रॉम ब्रूकफील्ड ग्लेडिएटर्स. 1 ओवर के बाद 5 पर 1 लीप टाइटंस. आनंद दुबे अब आए हैं बॉलिंग पे. देखना होगा मुथु विजय इलांगो जिस प्रकार से उन्होंने इस मैच को, प्रीवियस मैच को इन्होंने जीता था, एक सॉलिड पार्टनरशिप विद सिंगल्स. और ये मोमेंटम जारी है. 1.16 पर 1 यहाँ पे स्कोर of Leap Titans. And this is one of the biggest match coming up now. The eliminator is on. Going down the leg side. Umpire signaling that wide. Mr. Siddesh signaling that. Anand Dubey will bowl to Elango. That's played nicely at long on for a single run taken. They are not interested in high investment, low investment, and getting maximum returns. Muthu Vijay and Elango. Trying for that getting wicket, but it's maybe not in this tournament. Oh, tossed up delay, looking to play onside. The ball went offside at pond region. The fielder tried to stop that, but there's a backup fielder plan for Brookfield Gladiators. Always we have seen the backup plan is on. फिलहाल 9 रन 9 गेंद 1 विकेट लीप टाइटंस. This could be the chance. And इतने तेज भागे कि वंदे भारत एक्सप्रेस भी फेल इनके सामने. बहुत ही तेज रनिंग बिटवीन द विकेट्स. प्लेसमेंट किया, शॉट कवर के पास गया, थ्रो किया, लेकिन इनकी गाड़ी 500 किलोमीटर पर आवर. रॉकेट से भी तेज है. मुत्तु विजय एलानगो. क्या ऐसे तेज रन भाग के सीधा पहुंच जाएंगे चेन्नई एक्सप्रेस? इस पर अच्छे से खेल दिया है और फील्डर मौजूद थे. वापस स्क्वायर लेग पर 1 रन मिलेगा. It's all happening here. A fantastic atmosphere, electrifying all the cricketers. आनंद दुबे जी कुछ अलग विकेट की तलाश में है. That's played fine at square leg region. और क्या यहां पर ओवर की समाप्ति? 2 ओवर के बाद 13 पर 1 लीप टाइटंस. Salil will continue here. Oh, this time very good bowling. Indeed, a bit of slow variation, and this time running between the wickets is on. These two batters exceptionally well there, played in the previous match, and now in the eliminator round is going on. This is what call the quick call and get that investment right on. To 14 for 1 the score. Once again, they have a good stop there. Excellent stop, but they will take a single. That single might look small, but it compounds over time. Smart asset management by both these batters. But that's well played and still single every ball. That one run taken, that calculated move, that's a classic short-term gain for team Leap Titans. Once again, very smart cricket, just flicked down and taken a single quickly here. They are very quick in this matters. 17 balls, 17 for 1. That's caught away nicely at point. Will they come back for 2? And they are very quick. Will they get 1 run? Only 1 run. 3 gone. It's 18 for 1. Slowly and steadily, 1 run adding to the portfolio. So that will grow the scoreboard of the portfolio. 3 ओवर के बाद 18 पर एक एलिमिनेटर मैच है जारी. Consistency by Muthu, Vijay, and Alango. What a running between the wickets, Muthu and Alango. This time no runs. Venkat and the bowling attack. $20 for 1, Leap Titans. 11 of 12, Elango, and Muthu 8 of 9. Just a single. So singles are maintained, cash flow maintained, that scoreboard stays liquid. Consistency by both the batters is on. This time played straight. Rohan the fielder standing at long off. Yet another single added to the total. जिस प्रकार से बल्लेबाजी हो रही है, हमने पिछले मैच में देखा था, लीग मैच में आखिरी 2 ओवर में आतिशबाजी की थी. कुछ उस प्रकार से स्ट्रैटेजी अपनाएंगे इस बार. इनसाइड एज और 1 रन. ओवर की समाप्ति. 4 ओवर 23 पर 1, लीप टाइटंस. So welcome back once again to the excitement of cricket. Brookfield Premier League 2025 Season 5 Day 6, and this eliminator match is on. We had seen the qualifier 1, PIL Panthers directly into the final entering. There is something changed in the field settings of Brookfield Gladiators. New bowling attack, Tejas. A bit of misfield at mid-on. Single taken.
और यहाँ पर बेहतरीन बल्लेबाजी, इसे कहते हैं ठहराव। कुछ इसी तरीके की पारी इन्होंने खेले थे इन द लास्ट मैच, और यहां पर बहुत ही बेहतरीन स्पोर्ट्समैनशिप दिखता हुआ। आई सॉ एलांगो फॉलिंग डाउन, बट अदर द opponent team gladiators respecting the scenes and not taking an undue and unnecessary advantage of that. कवर्स की तरफ बहुत प्यार से ये शॉट मारा था एलांगो ने। एक रन पर यहां पर will be satisfying, but then could see a good chemistry between Muthu and Elango here. Venki, a beautiful set of fielding in the corner. And the next match going to be more interesting. The match that are going to be coming up. Well, you can never underestimate the team. Gladiators, they've got Rohan, they've got Venki, they've got Prathamesh, they've got Pooja, the girl who took 4 wickets in the last match. She'll be interested to perform better than the last match in this one. दुबे जी के हाथ में गेंद आ चुकी है।
It's 5 gone, it's 29 for 1. Leap Titans. So the momentum is on. Muthu, Vijay and Elango just going down the leg side for wide. Umpire Mr. Siddesh signaling that. Oh, that swing and a miss. Good bowling from Anand Dubey. (31 for 1). Just going outside of off-stump line again wide. 2 wides in this over so far. 1 run and 1 dot ball. Oh, is that again a third wide? He's trying to bowl that shorter pitch lane, but just losing his momentum and going outside the off-stump line once again. He's trying to bowl that quicker also for the batter. Oh, she tried to take that, but she dropped it. Excellent effort. Single run. Luck in the favor of Elango and Muthu Vijaya. It's all happening here in eliminator round of this Brookfield Premier League 2025 Season 5 and Day 6 is on. You already got the one finalist, PIL Panthers. So for them, sit back and relax and wait for the another finalist to come. This time high in the air. Very good stop. Coming back for two. They will get it. 36 on the board. Leap Titans. जबरदस्त यहाँ पर सारे टीम ने पार्टिसिपेशन किया है. जिस प्रकार से इस क्रिकेट को खेला है, अंदाज अपना अपना है, लेकिन जलवा यहाँ पर सभी खिलाड़ी का है. और यहाँ पर लपक लिया है विकेट की पतन. 35 की पार्टनरशिप दोनों के बीच. 35 of 34 balls has been broken by Anand Dubey. Finally, a sigh of relief for Brookfield Gladiators, and that's what they want. Leap Titans lose their second wicket. Good catch again by Divyanshu there at mid wicket. And the batsman depart Muthu Vijay 16 of 17 balls. Very well played. 5.5 36 पे 2 Leap Titans. Dina, the new batter, comes down to the center. High in the air. Ryan takes it. One more wicket fall, one more celebration. Brookfield Gladiators back in the match. Started really well by Leap Titan with singles and doubles. Now losing the momentum, one more wicket fall. Anand Dubey gets 2 wickets in last 2 balls of his spell. 2 over 15 for 2. And 6 overs gone, it's 36 for 3 Leap Titans. Coming up the last over of the first innings. And let's see if they can cross that 50 plus to get the challenging total chase for Brookfield Gladiators in this eliminator round. Absolutely fantastic atmosphere. The presence of mind of every fielder, the sports, the strategy, the passion, the love and support. This is all happening here in Brookfield Premier League Season 5. Pooja comes to the attack. She will bowl. Then the first ball to Elango on strike. Just down the leg side for wide. Starting with extra. 37. And looking for a big connect. That's smashed away at Cow Corner. Will they come back for 2? They're going for it. Chance for the run out there at the non-striker end. Good running. Could be the throw. Could be the throw. Should be at the non-striker end. Could be the wicket chance. But the fielder is thrown at the striker end. And it was very much time that they can get a wicket at the non-striker end. But they were looking for the wicket of Elango. They wanted Elango wicket. Now the pressure on Pooja once again. Down the leg side for wide. More. 40 पे 3. This bar Elango thought that it will go outside off, but no, that's a fair delivery. 4 गेंद बाकी है इस पहली पारी. 40 पे 3. डाउन टू ट्रैक उठा दिया है, लेकिन आउटसाइड एज और जाना पड़ेगा. लपक लिया है विकेट कीपर ने. विकेट की पतन. ब्रूकफील्ड ग्लैडिएटर्स ने इस मैच में कमबैक किया है और रेस्ट्रिक्ट जरूर करेंगे. लीप टाइटंस वेरी वेल प्लेड बाय Elango. And Pooja is having something magical while doing the bowling every time. 18 runs of 21, Elango departs. जिस प्रकार से यहाँ पर गेंदबाजी की है, बल्लेबाजी की है, दोनों टीम ने अच्छा प्रदर्शन किया है इस एलिमिनेटर राउंड में. इस बार जगह बनाई, खेलना चाहते थे, प्रॉपर एलिवेशन और टाइम नहीं कर पाए, 1 रन से संतुष्ट रहेंगे. आखिरी 2 गेंद, 41 for 4 लीप टाइटंस. Swing and a miss. Square leg umpire said out. Wicket, one more for Pooja. Yes, 2 wickets for Pooja and 5th wicket down for Leap Titans. The skipper departs. Santa Kumar. Very first ball, skipper departs. Last ball of the first innings. क्या यहाँ पर 41 पे गाड़ी अटकेगी, 45 या 47? लास्ट बॉल ऑफ द फर्स्ट इनिंग्स. उठा दिया है हवा में गेंद, 2 रन के लिए जाएंगे या 1 रन के लिए, और यहाँ पर रोक नहीं पाए तो 2 रन मिला आखिरी गेंद पे. 7 ओवर का खेल खत्म, 43 for 5 और 44 रन की दरकार है. देखना होगा किसकी सरकार है.
May I have the captain, Ashwini Bhai, please join us for Tosca Boss, along with Mandar. Mr. Mandar Naik, the captain of team DX United. Full power, man. Let's go, let's go, let's go in to do the honors. May I request Jitendra sir to please join us. So before we go ahead, just few moments with the umpire here. Sir, मुझे बताइए इसके पहले जो मैच हुआ था क्लीन मैक्स वर्सेस PIL Panthers, what would you like to say about that match? क्योंकि हम तो होते हैं commentary box में. We are here like, you know, out of the turf. You guys were there inside. I really want to know the picturization of that match. कैसा रहा वो?
एक्चुअली दोनों टीम की साइड जो बॉलिंग अटैक है, बॉलिंग अटैक दोनों का बहुत अच्छा है, बहुत अच्छा है. और जैसे बॉलिंग अटैक है वैसे वो लोग बैटिंग भी कर रहे हैं. लेकिन क्लाइमैक्स ने जो लेडी का ओवर था उस ओवर में रन बनाए लेकिन विकेट भी उतने गए, और वही तो टर्निंग पॉइंट था. और लास्ट के 6 ओवर में फिर वो थोड़े बैक हो गए और विकेट पे विकेट डाल के वो मैच हार गए.
और लास्ट ईयर भी आप थे ब्रूकफील्ड प्रीमियर लीग सीजन 4 में. हम आ चुके हैं अब सीजन 5 में, तो लेवल बढ़ा है, गेम चेंज हुआ है, और क्या क्या चेंजेस आपको इसमें देखने मिले, और आप क्या बोलना चाहते हैं अबाउट ब्रूकफील्ड प्रीमियर लीग सीजन 5?
एक्चुअली ब्रूकफील्ड प्रीमियर लीग फर्स्ट सीजन, सेकंड सीजन, थर्ड सीजन, फोर्थ सीजन, 5 सीजन मैं ही कर रहा हूँ. टूर्नामेंट सालों साल बहुत बड़े पैमाने में बड़ा होता जा रहा है. और जैसे कि आप देख रहे हो सब टीम्स के अंदर वही खिलाड़ी है, लेकिन कुछ नए नए खिलाड़ी अभी आ चुके हैं. स्पेसिफिकली मैं बोलना चाहूँगी कि जो लेडी बॉलर्स हैं उन्होंने बहुत अच्छा टैलेंट अपना दिखाया है.
Absolutely right. So I would request all my players, can we have a big hand for all the female players who's been definitely playing but also performing exceptional. Now it's time for the Toss ka boss, may I request Ashwini Bhai please join us from Crest Chargers, and DX United we've got the captain Mandar Naik. Hello gentlemen, good to see you once again, pleasure meeting. So who'll give the call? So we are going in ascending order. Aisa. And tails. Heads is the call, and tails it is. Congratulations. Thank you so much, gentlemen. Sir, what do you like to go for, gentlemen?
We'll bowl first.
Well, bowl first. Will bowl first. Any specific strategy behind that, man?
Nothing. Till date, we've won while bowling, so that's the only strategy we have. We've got a good bowling attack. So
And also, you've seen the performance that Crest Chargers have been giving in this league, in this tournament. And they are turning out to be one of the most strongest team. So, any thoughts like, क्या सोच है दिमाग में इस मैच को लेके?
so to be honest, actually, we've not followed the other group as much. But
We've just made our game better.
we just wanted to concentrate on our strength, our batting, our bowling, and that's what we want. I want my team to give 100% because it's the first time we are in the qualifiers. So I would ideally want them to play just free cricket and just do it on the.
And what run are you planning them to restrict on?
So the restrictions will always be whenever I've quoted, it's always 30.
Oh, very nice. By all the best. And I hope the best team wins. Ashwini sir, why don't you join us here? Come on. Toss जीतते तो क्या लेते?
Batting.
तो win-win situation तो है ही. And DX United also one of the best team of this season. So what's there in the mind for the coming match that you guys going to be playing?
Nothing is in the mind now. This is the sixth match we are playing in the tournament, and so far the tournament has gone, pretty good for us. So there were good matches. We were down somewhere, we were up somewhere. So I think we'll just play our national cricket, and team is super geared up, and let's hope for the best.
And of course, a lot of leaps and bounces. That match you had with PIL Panthers, कितना roller coaster था वो 5 ball 1 run. Oh my God! इतना suspense तो किसी Bollywood के movie में नहीं होता भाई. So thank you so much for giving us that entertainment. Thank you. Moving on to the next, the best match that is going to happen once again. पहली इनिंग हो चुकी है, हम जा रहे हैं दूसरी इनिंग की तरफ, but उसके पहले talking about the toss का boss, we had team DX United, team Crest Chargers, and team DX United has won the toss and they've opted to bowl. Over to the Combox because we've got the interesting match that is going on out there.
Thank you very much, Manish. It's a good start. This is by Leap Titans. They got 1 wicket early. Kalyana Sundaram, 3 runs considered only in his first over, and 1 wicket. एक ओवर 3 पर 1 और 41 runs and 36 balls left. And Nivea into the attack, starting with the extra wide. Signal by the umpire, Rohit. The umpire. और इस बार खेल दिया है, एलान गोवा पे फील्डर है लॉन्ग ऑन के क्षेत्र में. बैक टू बैक डॉट बॉल्स. इस बार थोड़ा मोमेंटम लूज करती हुई नीविया डाउन द लेग साइड फॉर वाइड. Two wides and 2 dots so far in this over. Oh, this could be the chance. Outside edge, and that's keeper. यहाँ पर मौका था लेकिन लपक नहीं पाए शांत कुमार द स्किपर. Now Pooja will face the first ball of Nevia. और इस बार शफल हुई और खेलना चाहती थी, लेकिन यहाँ पर टोटली बीट हो गई, कोई रन नहीं मिलेगा. Just going very much outside the off-stump line for wide. Umpire Mr. Rohit signaling that once again. 3 wide so far in this over. Up and over, very well played, smartly. Invested 1 run and got a return of investment of 1 run. That's smart cricket by Pooja. Last ball of the second over, 8 for 1. There's a fielder at long off and long on. Oh, that's a bit of helicopter and hitting on the wire at the top. End of the over number 2. It's 9 for 1. 30 balls left and 35 to get. 35 रन चाहिए 30 गेंदों में. इस मैच को जीतने के लिए जो मैच जीतेगा वो आगे जाएगा और जो मैच को इस नहीं जीत पाएगा उनका सफर यहीं पर समाप्त हो जाएगा इस टूर्नामेंट में. एलिमिनेटर राउंड इज ऑन. हवा में गेंद straight up in the air, square leg fielder underneath, he takes it. That's a good catch. Second wicket fall of Brookfield Gladiators. Leap Titans charging up. Easy catch taken there at deep region. That's one more wicket. A sigh of relief. Leap Titans good with the bat, now good with the ball. This is what absolutely fantastic performance. Each and every match we have seen Leap Titans. And also Brookfield Gladiators now. Anand Dubey, the new batter, comes in. And straight away off the mark, the direct hit. Or let's see, yes, she's out. She didn't reach to the striker's end. Short fall off the crease and gone. As a one more wicket, back-to-back wicket. Ajab Gajab hai inka cricket of Leap Titans. Absolutely fab and fabulous performance. This is what call you dominate your team entirely, the opposition. 9 for 3 after 2.2. That's a good throw by Yashwant there at square leg. Rohan Datta. Now the two new batters will set up a big partnership for the team. Let's see. That's gone. Clean bowled. Excellent bowling. A peach of a delivery. Beauty of bowling. Stumps shattered and gone. The timber is up. The LED light is flashing. The bails are gone. And this is one more wicket sent into the campaign. Absolutely class from Prem Kumar. We have seen fantastic bowling in the league matches and now is performing for the team in the eliminator stage. And that's what call you defending bowling performance from Leap Titans is on. The lefty batter is now Rahul on strike. Naam to suna hoga Rahul. And that's connected well and get a single off the mark straight away. 26 balls and 34 to get. Runs are more, balls are less. That's a difference of 8. It's just a matter of that 2 boundaries or either a 1-6 can get the equation run a ball. This time very well played, softly played, just a slight touch at point and single taken. Last ball of the third over, 11 for 4. Oh, was there an edge of the bat? Chance for the catch has been put down. Is that end of the over? Oh, what a stop that. Excellent stop by the fielder. And she is very happy for it. That's really hit hard straight to the fielder. We will let you know the score. There's a confirmation from the scorer is pending. We will let you know the updated score in some time. Coming right now, round to wicket for the left-hander. That's gone very much straight into the sky. दे घुमा के खेल दिया है. 1 रन मिलेगा. Once again sent out of the park. We'll get one more run. Let's see if we can connect straight to get that maximum runs on the board. So we have the updated score, 3.5, 16 for 4 and 28 to get from 19 balls. Looking for a big connect straight to the fielder. Direct hit could be the chance. End of the over. Muthu Vijay batted really well, now bowling really well. Only 6 runs conceded. 4 over. 17 पे 4, 27 रन चाहिए 18 गेंदों में. एक बड़ा ओवर, मैच विनिंग ओवर और एक बड़ा ओवर, एक डिफेंडिंग ओवर, और ये एलान गो को बुलाया गया है. देखना होगा एलान गो अब ऐलान करेंगे, अपनी टीम को डिफेंड करेंगे और ये बहुत ही क्रूशियल ओवर ऑफ द मैच रहेगा. 27 चाहिए अब 18 गेंदों में. One defending over will be the pressure on the batting team. Brookfield Gladiators. That's a straight to the fielder and yes, back up hai. What a work this is by Muthu Vijay, standing that backup fielder. And this is the game of beauty of cricket. टीम वर्क होना चाहिए और इस बार मिला है विकेट. बैकअप रहे पर इस बार नेक्स्ट डिलीवरी में हीरो बन गए. कैच लपक लिया है. सक्सेसफुल टीम वर्क बाय लीप टाइटंस. 4.2 18 पे 5 16 गेंदों में अब 26 रन की दरकार है. अब देखना होगा इस एलिमिनेटर की किसकी सरकार है. We have already got a finalist, PIL Panthers of the season 5 of Brookfield Premier League. That's up and over, hit hard. Looking for second, only settled for single. 25 रन चाहिए 15 गेंदों में. जिस प्रकार से वो गेंदबाजी अब कर रहे हैं एलानगो, जिस प्रकार से बल्लेबाजी की है, इस मैच को पूरी तरह से कोशिश कर रहे हैं डिफेंड करने. 3 गेंद 2 रन 1 विकेट. इनमें कामयाब. इस बार खेला है स्ट्रेट लॉन्ग ऑफ. फील्डर तैनात. 1 रन से संतुष्टि. और इस बार बेहतरीन बॉलिंग. पटकी हुई गेंद खेलना चाहते थे, टोटली बीट हो गए. मात्र 3 रन दिए हैं, 1 विकेट लिया है एलानगो ने. 13 गेंद और 24 रन की जरूरत है. हाई इन दी एयर and bit of misjudgment landed between the 3 fielders. Direct hit at the non-striker and coming back for 1 more run sent back. There's something mixed up in the field. 2 runs to end of the over. 5 ओवर के बाद 22 पे 5 और 12 गेंदों में 22 रन. That's every over 11 runs needed for Brookfield Gladiators to win this match. That's the batting power play. Only 1 fielder allowed, either at long off, long on, and long off fielder Elango standing. This penultimate over will consider. Indeed, it will conclude. High in the air, chance. Oh, landed safe. Looking for second run. This could be the chance for the out and gone. Wicket fall. Mix up between the batters. And a good backer fielder is thrown to the striker's end. And there was no keeper. पॉइंट के फील्डर आए और विकेट कीपर बन गए. विकेट मिला है. अजब गजब क्रिकेट है. Every match we have witnessed nail biting, and this is now once again we'll witness the same. Up and over. There's no fielder. Very good effort. Oh my God, Elango, look at his effort. पूरी तरह से समर्पण करते हुए, पर इन्होंने अपना हॉनेस्टी और बेस्ट पॉलिसी कहते हैं, ऐलान किया है कि ये 4 रन, but 100 marks for the effort for the Elango. Almost that 30-40 meters for that run to save that boundary. Ten balls and 18 runs to get for Brookfield Gladiators. अभी भी लक्ष्य है पर्वत जैसा. क्या इनके हुनर में राज है? Oh, he's taken that! Cotton ball! Wicket fall! This is turning the game into the Leap Titans' favor now. Slow and steady defending. That 1 over of Elango has turned the change of the course of the match completely now. And now Prem Kumar is doing a fantastic job for the team once again. Nine balls left and 18 to get. So every ball 2 runs. That's connected high in the air. Elango underneath. He takes it. 1 more wicket fall. Leap Titan celebrating once again. Absolutely fab performance. Stupendous, fantabulously fantastic, majorically magical performance from Leap Titans. This is absolutely a class cricket, a fantastic strategy by Santa Kumar and his army. Performing really well out here in eliminator round. Yet another wicket fall of Brookfield Gladiators. 2 wickets to go, 8 balls left, 18 runs to get. And now, on a hat-trick, Prem Kumar. Oh, that's very good bowling. This is one of the crucial over of the match we have seen, and that's what, 7 balls left, 18 runs to get. The pressure rising, rising, rising. All eyes on this match. High in the air. Oh, Elango, what an effort! Absolutely. What a great athleticism work there. पूरी तरह से इस कैच को लपकने के लिए अपनी परवाह न किए बिना, कोई इंजरी की परवाह न किए बिना कोशिश की. मिलेंगे यहाँ पे 2 रन. Last over coming up and 16 runs to get. 6 gone is 28 for 8. Brookfield Gladiators. 6 गेंदों में 16 रन की दरकार. देखना होगा अब किसकी सरकार. And the man again, Elango, is that the winning moment. They're celebrating almost 95% celebration done. Only 5% left. 1 wicket for the Brookfield Gladiators. And this is like Leap Titans is just a 1 wicket away for the victory to qualify for the next match. But Brookfield Gladiators also have a chance. 5 गेंदों में 16 रन. Coming up, the attacking fielding, and let's see. Elango, the man. Is it out and goal? Yes! Leap Titans इस मैच को जीत लिया है. And the man Elango has done for the team. Clinched the victory from Brookfield Gladiators. They won by 15 runs. What a win by Leap Titans. 15 रन से मैच को जीत लिया है, अपने नाम कर लिया है.
बेहतरीन.
And very well played. ब्रूकफील्ड ग्लैडिएटर्स का सफर यहाँ पर होता है समाप्त. पर सफर समाप्त इस सीजन का है. अगले सीजन में कम बैक स्ट्रॉन्ग करेंगे. What do you say, Manish, about Brookfield Gladiators?
Of course, one of the best team of this season.